Hello everybody and welcome to my third VBA 2010 tutorial. This tutorial is going to teach you how to use the cells object. So the cells object is very similar to the range object. I'm just going to clear all of these off for now. The first thing you need to do again is reference the workbook. So just put this workbook dot and then sheets again, sheet 1, and then this time instead of typing in range we're going to type in cells and then open bracket. Now cells as an object or a method takes two parameters. So the first parameter it's going to take is going to be the number of the row, and then the second one it's going to take is going to be the number of the column. So if I put in 1, 1 and then close brackets, so this is how you separate your two parameters with a comma. So we've got row number 1 and then comma and then column number 1. Don't put speech marks in this time because you want to be passing the actual numbers into the object, and then again we can just use dot value to reference the value. I'm going to put it as this cell has been referenced using cells, and then that's it. And rather than going out and pressing Alt F8 this time, I'm just going to press play up here. So if you just press that, then whichever sub procedure you're in, it's just going to run that sub procedure. So if we go back in here and we open up this cell so we can see it, and you'll notice then that this has changed that cell already. We can then, if we change this, so let's put this as row 2, column 1. If we play this, and then that's changed row number 2 and column number 1. And we can keep going. So let's put this to 5. So row 2, column 5. Let's press play. And then row number 2 and column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one's been changed. So that's how you use cells. Again, you can put numbers in, and we can also copy this and put it on this side. And so we can make this cell equal to the cell above it by changing this to a 1. We can play this now. And now it's gone, it disappeared out of the cell. If we type something in here, so this cell will be copied, and then press play in here, and then it's copied the cell down. You can also do, and you can do this with range as well. We can do a little bit of adding on. So if we put a plus and then 1 here, and then we put a 5 in here, and then if we play this now, then you notice that this has now gone to 6. So we've taken the value of this cell and we've just added 1 to it. You can do the same thing. So let's say we put this back to 2. So this is going to take the value of this cell, it's going to add 1 to it, and then put it back into its own cell. So at the moment it's 6. If we press play on here, it's going to turn it to 7. and then if we keep running it, so run, it's going to go to 8, run 9, and it's just going to keep going. So that's how you can just keep adding to a cell. So that's it for the cells method. It's very straightforward. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reference rows and columns. So thanks for listening. I hope to catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.